over the last 6 months, I've gotten pretty much everything from you look like a boy to a lesbian to my husband's twin and God knows what else. And I thought it would be fun to ask other women with short hair about their experiences.
Hey, listen. I am gonna set you up with this friend of mine. She has been asking about you for so long. You know, I think you guys are gonna get on like a house on fire. Like, seriously, you know. Huh? What? You're straight?
You instantly miss your long hair, don't you?
No. You can't carry off this short hair with Indian clothes. You're gonna have a tough time.
दीदी आपके बाल ऐसे क्यों हैं?
In a half pony, will you look like Ned Stark or Jon Snow?
Once some girls told me that, oh, you have short hair, so you're a boy, go to the boys' washroom. I said, hey girls, just because I have short hair doesn't make me a boy. And you can see that very much.
Are you alright? Why did you do this to yourself?
You look like a lady boy, or that if you grow your hair out longer, you would be much more prettier.
Do you have cancer?
So this guy asked my boyfriend, how could you allow her to have a haircut like this?
You look like a boy. The constant, you look like a boy.
Can I wear this short haircut with a sari?
If you are an Indian woman and you have short hair and wear pants, there are two possibilities. You are either a lesbian or you are a man. And that's what I get most of the time. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. Good night, sir. But I don't know if that's my short hair or my flat hairy chest. It could be that. I don't know.
काफी छोटे नहीं हो गए? कोई नहीं. They'll grow back.
I'm a lesbian. They say that I belong to rainbow community.
Arey Chia, what is this new ruby rose hair look you're trying to pull off? The whole lesbian look.
When is this phase in your life going to get over? Just grow it out now.
Oh, you looked prettier with longer hair.
Lipstick lesbian or where's your bike?
Did something happen to you? Is that why you cut your hair?
A girl looks like a girl only when she has long hair and not when she has short hair.
That I'm a lesbian, I look like a little boy and basically ugly.
Short hair girls can't get married easily because we are not appropriate enough.
Having short hair means that you're kind of emotionally damaged. The ones who call up your mom and ask her, what's wrong with all your children? Or, oh, is your daughter turning lesbian? Stuff like that.
Somebody would come and say, why don't you use a wig? Or somebody would say in very crude Hindi that my scalp is showing, and the word they would use for scalp is tinned.
You know, women were like, but don't you like nice flowing hair? And stories like Rapunzel, of course, don't help.
So I've been addressed as Bhaiya and Sir by a lot of security guards, rickshawalas and autowalas.
You look like a boy. Like, no guy's ever gonna like you.
You cut your hair again? Why don't you grow a beard as well?
I have commitment issues.
She boy, she girl. And even today, my husband gets so much sympathy. It must be so difficult to run your hand through your wife's hair. It'll probably get stuck. Oh my god, is that hair or the Amazonian jungle? Things must get lost in it forever.
Nobody has the right to pass any judgment on anyone.
I'm so much more than my hair.
I have had short hair for almost 2 years now and I love it.
I'm going to express myself through this way by cutting my hair to feel stronger. I'm going to cut my hair. I decided to cut my hair. It has got nothing to do with my gender or sexuality.
What about those boys who have long hair?
I shaved my head because I wanted to see what I would feel like without any hair, and it felt free. I felt so liberated and I felt amazing.
It's just being you.
What has short hair got to do with your sexuality?
I shaved my head because I wanted to feel light and because I wanted to donate my hair. Then they stare at you all confused, and yeah, I initially enjoyed that, and it's good again. Keep guessing.
I think it basically brings out all the most amazing features of your face and your personality, and you don't really have to hide behind your hair. And I think a lot of women do that. A lot of women just hide behind their hair.
I think what you get with the short haircut is a sense of freedom, a feeling of freedom that you can just not experience with long hair.
And you just can't like put a tag on me like that.
Men can always do whatever they want, whether it is to cut their hair short or to grow their hair longer. So why can't we women do what we want?
And by the way, I'm going to go for my next haircut very soon.
I truly love myself, and basically I stopped giving a damn about what people think or say.
Short hair is great. We all rock. Thank you.